Beginner Faceless Content Creator. If you've been searching for a beginner faceless content creator because you want to start creating content online without showing your face, without becoming an influencer, and without spending thousands of dollars on equipment, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how a beginner faceless content creator can get started in 2026, how AI tools are making content creation easier than ever, and how you can use faceless content to build an audience, generate traffic, and even earn affiliate commissions. Before we get started, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I post videos every week about AI tools, affiliate marketing, faceless YouTube channels, and ways to make money online. Also check the pinned comment below. I've included my discounted Syllaby link, which is one of the tools I use to create faceless content faster. You'll also find my #1 recommended resource called Daily Income Method. It pays up to $200 per sale and includes access to over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus. Both resources are in the pinned comment below. Now let's talk about why so many people want to become a beginner faceless content creator. The answer is simple. Many people want the benefits of content creation without the pressure of being on camera. Maybe you're camera shy. Maybe you value privacy. Maybe you don't want friends and family seeing your videos. Maybe you simply prefer creating content behind the scenes. The good news is that you don't need to show your face to succeed online anymore. In fact, some of the fastest growing channels on YouTube are completely faceless. The same thing is happening on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and other platforms. The opportunity is bigger than ever. Now let's talk about what a beginner faceless content creator actually does. At the most basic level, you're creating content without appearing on camera. Instead of filming yourself, you use stock footage, screen recordings, AI-generated visuals, animations, slides, B-roll footage, voiceovers, text overlays, or combinations of these formats. The goal isn't to hide. The goal is to create useful content in a way that feels comfortable for you. Now let's discuss the biggest challenge most beginner faceless content creators face: ideas. Most people don't know what content to create. They spend hours brainstorming. They stare at blank screens. They constantly wonder what to post next. That's exactly why I use Syllaby. Syllaby helps generate content ideas around topics people are already searching for. Instead of guessing, I can identify content opportunities and build videos around them. This dramatically speeds up the content creation process. If you'd like to try it yourself, check the discounted Syllaby link in the pinned comment below. Now, after finding a content idea, the next step is creating a script. This is another area where beginners struggle. They know the topic but don't know how to structure the content. AI tools can help create outlines, talking points, and first drafts much faster. Again, I always recommend adding your own personality and experience, but AI can save an incredible amount of time. Once the script is ready, it's time to create the actual video. And this is where beginner faceless content creators often discover how simple the process can be. You don't need a professional studio. You don't need expensive cameras. You don't need perfect lighting. Many successful creators are using simple workflows built around stock footage, AI visuals, and voiceovers. This is one reason faceless content has exploded in popularity. The barrier to entry is lower than ever before. Now let's talk about platforms. My favorite platform is YouTube. Why? Because YouTube combines search traffic with recommendation traffic. People actively search for answers. And YouTube also recommends videos to viewers. That means your content can continue generating views long after it's uploaded. A social media post might disappear after a day. A YouTube video can continue generating traffic for months or years. That's powerful, especially for a beginner faceless content creator. Every video becomes an asset. Every upload becomes another opportunity to generate views. Another opportunity to build an audience. Another opportunity to earn commissions. Now let's talk about monetization, because eventually many people want to turn content into income. One of my favorite methods is affiliate marketing. The process is simple. Create content, generate traffic, recommend products, earn commissions. For example, if someone wants help creating faceless content, I might recommend Syllaby. If they purchase through my affiliate link, I earn a commission. If someone wants a beginner-friendly opportunity that pays up to $200 per sale, I might recommend Daily Income Method. Again, you'll find both resources in the pinned comment below. The important thing is helping people solve problems. When your content helps people, monetization becomes much easier. Now let's talk about consistency. This is where most creators fail. Not because they're bad, not because they lack talent, because they stop. They post a few videos, nothing happens immediately, they quit. The creators who win are often the creators who keep publishing. Every video teaches you something. Every upload gives you data. Every piece of content becomes another asset. That's why consistency matters so much. Quick favor, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel and lets me know to create more content like this. Also, leave a comment below and tell me what type of faceless content you're interested in creating. Now let's recap. A beginner faceless content creator doesn't need to show their face. They don't need expensive equipment. They don't need a massive audience. They need a niche. They need content ideas. They need consistency, and they need a system. Use tools like Syllaby to generate ideas and create content faster. Focus on helping people, create valuable videos, publish consistently, and stay in the game long enough to see results. If you'd like to use the same tools I'm using, check the pinned comment below. You'll find my discounted Syllaby link where you can get started today. You'll also find Daily Income Method, which pays up to $200 per sale and includes over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.